So this is the backrest for the captain's seat, and you can see that it is in really tough condition. The foam is deteriorated, the material has been completely rotted through. Taken it off the boat, and I brought it to, and I left it with an upholstery shop to do it. They were going to do this and the bottom cushion, and then they called me back 2 weeks later and the guy had died. So that's not good. So what I am going to do now is make an attempt to do this myself, because I looked at a couple of other shops and either I didn't like them or they wouldn't do marine upholstery. So I bought some new I don't know what you call this stuff. I bought some new material to redo it. This should match this in white. So now I'm going to try and get this off as delicately as possible, and I'll try and cut these seams out or unstitch them so that I can get this to lay it out and then cut new material using this as a form, and see what's underneath here. And I'll also have to redo the foam. So okie dokie. Okay, so I have it off, and now know that we've got essentially 3 pieces. 2 of these end caps, which have not really semicircular, they're actually flat at the bottom, and they've been brought in and stapled. It's hard to kind of tell what really this originally was, because like an old person, it's dried, crusty, and hard to deal with. And then we've got the one piece that basically comes over and wraps over the top. So what I'm really looking for here is this measurement. That's about, I'd say 31. Look at this, it's 32. So I'm going to go 32. stitched here, 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 here. Goes around. It's a little bit tight, which is ideal. It will be even tighter when we get the cushions on. And look at that. Not bad. Yoga mat. So it's not, unfortunately, it's not wide enough to cover that way. But we will do it the other way and cut it to width. And it is long enough to wrap it. And that will do. Okay, so got everything cut to fit. Well, what do you think? Is that a suitable replacement? I think that looks pretty damn amazing. Nice and cushioned on top. And when I pull this all around here and staple it, that's going to give us a nice, it's going to be a fantastic backrest.
Ron reupholstered this captain's chair for how much?
Let's say $50.
$50, and we tried to get it reupholstered, and what sad happened?
Our upholsterer died.
He died. So they called us and told us we had to come and get our old. They didn't want him anymore.
Good news is, they saved us $350.
Yeah.
Saved us $400 for it. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, it's
what
perfect.
do you think?
I got the heat blowing from the air
From
conditioner
the air
in my face.
conditioner?
Oh,
Yeah.
this is what it'll feel like sailing in Florida. Hot air in your face constantly.
But he did such a good job, like with all of the seams. Well done, well done. Very proud of you.
Thank you.